Hi guys, just put this little kit together, construction vehicle, but you're also supposed to be able to make that one. So I'm going to see if I can work it out, because they don't actually give you any instructions for that one. So I'll just see what I can do. Looks like those pieces have got to come up to there somewhere. Well, that took longer than the first one did, but that's doing it without instructions. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.